Hi, Pete from Syngenta. I'm here to talk about RIFAWAY, the fire ant bait. Once we have identified that it is actually fire ants, I've found as a professional pest manager myself, the best way of treating them is with bait, because the ants know where all the nests are, or the multiple nests or the multiple galleries are, and they carry this food back into the nest. The importance about this is also that bait is actually fed to the fourth stage larval of the nest. These stages of larvae break down the food or bait, and then they feed it to the rest of the colony members, the rest of the workers, the rest of the soldiers and the queen, so it actually then spreads the toxicant or eradicant knockdown bait right throughout the nest with the active ingredient indoxacarb going to work. One of the other treatments to consider was direct nest injection. Direct nest injection is so complex with ants, it is actually really hard to get it done properly. There are so many different gallery and fire ants nests, and also the part of that is finding the ants nests in the summer months when they're prone and not actually as high in the ground is really important to understand that it is really hard to find those nests in summer. So with bait, the ant finds a nest for you. It does the work for you. Pretty simple why baiting works. RIFAWAY Fire Ant Bait is an option for the homeowner to use at 15 grams per direct nest treatment. It's corn-based grip with soya-based oil with the active ingredient indoxacarb.